Hey there, in this quick video, I just want to share with you on how you can possibly connect your Acer to get it to sound. So there are two ways how we can do it. The first way is that if it doesn't have a speaker, I don't know what kind of Acer you got, but from the back you are going to find an audio jack. I'm just showing you multiple pictures here how it's going to look like. It's going to look like this. You can have audio jack there. Now, what you want to do, also it's going to look like here. What you want to do is that you need to have a speaker, like a JBL speaker, a Bose speaker, Sony speaker, I don't know, some kind of like speaker that is going to have also jack there, that you can connect it together. Or let's say if you can get a USB with something, just have some kind of outside speaker that you connect to Acer. This is the first way. The second way, this is something that I read in the forum, maybe it's going to be also good for you, is that you can connect headphone from your controller for sound. This is something that also you can try to do if you're using controller. But I just wanted to share these ideas for you, that how you can actually do it, that you're just going to look for the audio jack from the back, connect it, and then you got it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and goodbye.